Okay guys, so today we come to you from HRP. We came over here to Houston on a Thursday because of the beautiful weather. The temperature's cool, the track's gonna be nice and heated up from the sun. The perfect combination. We're at a negative DA, so you know we love that good air. We brought out the white car to see if we could set a, set that record even lower. Hopefully get it into the 8s is my ultimate goal. And then we also brought the twin turbo car. It's on the other side of the trailers there. And we're just gonna have some fun with it. You know, we don't get to do much testing with it. We had this track day, so we're bringing it out and yeah, let's make some passes. Of course, the main goal is gonna be to get this car right here to go as fast as possible today. So, you know, low 9s are what we're expecting. Hopefully high 8s would be really, really awesome. Yeah, let's see. They're prepping the track up real nice, so everything should be in order to make a good pass. How's the track looking today?
Looking great. We're gonna fly.
928 at 142. So she's not quite making as much steam as the blue car was, but we'll see what we can do to try and get that down a couple tenths. I mean, that's the record, but we want that puppy in the 8s. All right, so he's getting lined up. This is Jason's first time in this car, so he's just getting used to it. Probably just gonna throw down a quick 1/8 mile pass, just feel it out. But hey, anytime this car's running, I love to be up here. This is my favorite out of our corral of cars. So you let off way before the end, 8.3. I mean, this car makes speed look easy. 122, that car just shreds. That's ultra low boost, just getting it A to B, and he let off way before the end of the quarter. That car rips. How'd you feel?
I mean, all right. I don't know. I'm used to faster. She's no blue car.
Yeah.
I mean, she's no 5th gen.
This thing definitely gets me pumped up, man. How'd this one feel, Jason?
Fine. Everything was good. I guess
She rips, huh?
Yeah. It was. It was no problem.
What, 820 something at 120 or 830
Straight as
something?
an arrow, dude.
Yeah.
It just looks like it's trying to.
20?
Yeah.
I just let off. I don't
Yeah,
even,
at 120.
Yeah.
Went 121, 60 foot. Turned down, the car goes 121, 60 foot.
Yeah. I mean, it felt like it left good. I mean,
Once it hits that 60, it looks like it's trying to roll up a wheelie as hard as it can.
rolls.
.924 at 142, dang near the exact same time. Okay, 9225 at 144. So it looks like it picked up a little bit. They've been working on the tuna spec. There just can't be a lot left in it with this combination. We're gonna have to switch up the combination, get a different transmission in it, see if we can do anything tuning wise or anything to get a little more juice out of it. But yeah, I don't see why we can't get this thing in the 8th. I know Jason's real eager to throw a turbo in this car and just go manual racing. But for now, we need to get I'd like to get that 8. You know, maybe it'll happen. Maybe we'll swap it before then. Just depends.
What'd she do?
9225 at 144.
Huh, well, she picked up 1 mile an hour.
Yep.
How did 60?
I look good. I don't know. I didn't see the paper or anything,
This
but
pin doesn't come out for the shit.
you might be locked in there. Yeah, you're locked in. Climb over it, monkey.
Old school. Old school. I mean, the 60 foot felt a little better. But, I mean, yeah, that's all she rode. That's all his car's got.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
I mean, it picked up 2 mile an hour, so raising shift points helped.
Unless we switch something in the setup, she's pretty much had it.
Yeah, I mean, that's Yeah, I mean, that's really all I expected, because the real world is it's making the same, right at the same power as the backup motor to the 5th gen head scam car. Yeah. And that car was going 930s at Cletus and Cars a week and a half ago. So I figured, you know, the most we're really going to get out of this thing is probably 920s. But I mean, it's enough to take the record for now, so we'll see what happens.
796 at 142, so obviously let off again way down there. This car just straight shreds. I mean, a 7 like nothing, huh, Casey?
Oh yeah, I mean, it's a A to B. Jason just jumps in it. I've been shaking it down for him for a little bit, and he jumps in it like it's nothing today. He wanted to go 490, and he went 501 today. So he'll be happy with it. Just to jump in it from something that he had never driven, give him some quick instruction, he's ready to go.
9271 at 144. So like I said, it's just tapped out for that setup. I don't know how much it's got left. We got to change something, probably the transmission.
Yeah, we need to do some work on that one. It's a laboring. Injector duty cycle's up there around 130%, so we just can't get it back around. It gets in high gear just after the 8th mile, and it's just laboring for fuel. We need to make a couple of adjustments. We pretty much rolled it out of the trailer, and it's kind of been the same all day. We just can't get enough in it.
Okay, everyone, so that about does it from Houston Raceway Park today. So we had a good time. We got out here real early, left Georgetown, Texas about 5:30, got here about 9:45, and just started hitting it. So the cars have been running good all day. So about time we get the white one out. It did a 9.2, which is the new record, but you know, we're really hoping for those 8s. So I don't know if we're gonna stretch farther with that one, or just go ahead and throw the manual back in it and turbo it for some crazy fun. The black car, you know, the twin turbo car does what it does. It goes fast. It goes 7s with ease. That was Jason's first time in it. Went 790 like nothing. I mean, the car just straight shreds. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.